Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Do you remember BLUBOO S3? The Chinese company already announced its new smartphone during MWC 2018 in Barcelona. We already saw first hands-on videos and no official specifications. It has 8500 mAh battery, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, 20 megapixel main camera from Samsung and 6-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. It sounds very interesting, do you agree? BLUBOO S3 officially goes on sale, and its price is only $150. So we have first review of new phone. If you are interested in unboxing and full review, please thumbs up under this video and write comments below. If there will be many comments, I will order this phone from China and make a full review. The manufacturer compares its new phone BLUBOO S3 with flagship device Galaxy S9. I don't know why, because I don't think they look alike. Yes, both of them have big displays on front panel, however today every new phone has big display with thin bezels. Also the main camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader on the back side looks similar to BLUBOO S3 and Galaxy S9. That's all. There are no more similar features between these phones. Also, the backside of BLUBOO S3 has pyramid texture. I think it is much more comfortable to use than slipper glass or flat metal surface. The edges of smartphone are curved, so it should be convenient to use the phone with one hand. You should note that BLUBOO S3 has very big battery, so it is pretty thick, about 11.59 mm. Also it weighs about 280 grams. However, compared to some other big batteries phones, BLUBOO S3 is not so thick. If we talk about display, BLUBOO S3 comes with 6-inch diagonal, Full HD Plus resolution, sharp panel and 18:9 aspect ratio. The manufacturer says that screen occupies 91% of front panel. To be honest, it is hard to believe, but real hands-on videos show that the phone really has thin bezels around the display. I want to recall that BLUBOO S3 costs only $150, however it comes with Full HD Plus display and pretty good hardware. The smartphone is powered by Octa-core chipset MediaTek 6750, clocked at 1.5 GHz, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. Also, it supports microSD memory cards up to 256 GB. We already have first benchmark results, and BLUBOO S3 scores about 55,000 points. It is very good result for budget phone. Moreover, this phone runs on latest Android 8.1 Oreo system. I don't believe that BLUBOO S3 costs only $150. Talking about camera, you probably have noticed that this phone has two sensors on the back. There is 20 megapixel sensor from Samsung and 5 megapixel secondary sensor. Also there is 13 megapixel camera on the front panel. We already have some real sample photos and they look pretty good. However, all of them are taken in good lighting conditions, but what about image quality at night? When I receive my phone, I will make more sample photos in different lighting conditions. Perhaps the main feature of BLUBOO S3 is battery. It has a capacity of 8500 mAh and support fast charging technology 12V 2A. The manufacturer promises up to 6 days of battery life on a single charge, while the full charging takes about 2.5 hours. The first battery test shows that BLUBOO S3 has lost only 2% of battery level after 1 hour of playback videos. It is excellent result. By the way, BLUBOO S3 supports OTG technology, so you can use this phone as a power bank to charge other mobile devices. What can I say about BLUBOO S3? To be honest, I'm very surprised. I don't expect so many interesting features from budget phone for about $150. It has 6-inch Full HD Plus display, good performance with 4 GB of RAM, latest Android 8.1 operating system, 20 megapixel rear camera from Samsung and 13 megapixel front camera, and very big battery of 8500 mAh. If you don't afraid of sick body and battery life is very important for you, then BLUBOO S3 is excellent phone. Thanks for watching. Do you want real unboxing and full review? Write comments below and I will try to get this phone. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.